Hello, it's Diana Marchand and welcome to this video. For those watching the replay, hello, hello. And if you're watching the replay, let me know. Say hi and put the hashtag belief. We are talking about belief. Yes, we are. So this is what I truly believe is the biggest mindset shift you can make for more energy, health, and weight loss in midlife. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So I'm just going to take a minute to share this video to my various places. And if you are watching me outside of my Facebook group for women over 40, I want you to come and join. Well, come and join us. That's where I do a lot of more trainings. I post recipes, information, tips, inspiration, and all about my new programs for women over 40 dealing with midlife change and beyond. All right, so that is called Women Creating Healthy Lives. Check it out there. And before I do this, I also want to let you know that on my website, dianamarchand.com, I do have some free trainings for you. You can check them out, free resources. One is on how to lose weight over, why the weight gain over 40 and what you can do about it. That is an amazing video series that tells you exactly what you can do about it and why you have that weight gain. And then I also have one on how to prep and plan so that you can eat healthier during the week. That is on my website too. Those are free trainings, video trainings that you can sign up for. So go check out my website, dianamarchand.com, if you wish to learn more. And I also have amazing hundreds and hundreds of videos on YouTube with all the information you will ever need for this phase of life also. So you can check me out there. Okay. So I am just going to share this. Hello to those of you who are watching. I really appreciate that you take the time to watch. Feel free to share this video if you think that there's somebody else who might like this information. Yeah, go ahead and share it. I'm totally good with that. I would love to spread the news. I really want women to really begin to live a healthier, happier life over the age of 40 and to really know that it's possible. It's never too late. You are not too old. It's never too late to start something. You can really begin to step into a life that feels truly amazing for you, okay? All right, so let me just do this here. Okay. Come on. If you're watching the replay, you can fast forward through this part because it's pretty slow, right? Oh, we are on. I forgot to put what day we are on. Day number 4, I believe. Day number 4 of this video series that I'm doing on vibrant energy, health, and weight loss in midlife and the shifts that are required to achieve that. Okay, so that is the video. That is this video series that I'm working on right now for you guys, giving you the information you need on those shifts. And the shifts are really important. And what I mean by shifts are like, so often we think, oh, just tell me what to eat over 40 and then I'll make the changes and then everything will be perfect and I'll lose the weight and I'll feel amazing and everything will just be great, right? And that's of course why people buy the recipe books. They follow the programs online saying this is what to eat, all of this, right? But what I want you to tap into is, have you tried those things before? Have you stayed on track? Are you able to continue? You know, so many people are like, well, I've done everything and nothing seems to work. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Well, most often it is the shifts I'm talking about in this video series is there are shifts that are required in the inner you, your beliefs, your perception, your focus, your energy, all of these things that need to be made so that you become the person who naturally loves to and does consistently eat healthy, does healthy things, puts yourselves first, takes care of you, respects yourself, loves yourself, takes responsibility fully for your life, right? So today what we're talking about is belief. Belief. This is the most important thing and shift that is required. Hello, Helen. Hey, nice to have you. Nice to have you. Belief. So here's what thing. What was the thing I was going to say? You get what you believe. What you believe, you receive, okay? Write that down. What you believe, you receive. So if you don't believe it, you're not going to receive it, right? If you don't believe that it's possible for you, it's not going to happen. You know, like Henry Ford said, I think the quote was, if you say you can't, I don't know what it was. Something about, it has to do with if you believe it, right? Like you either can or you can't. Whatever you believe is right for you. If you believe you can't have something, you won't have it. If you believe with all your heart you can have something, you will find a way to make it work. That's truly what it's about. And there's many aspects of our life, right? Like I have a true belief in my health, my body, my weight, my fitness levels, completely true 100% belief. That's why I'm able to stick with it, because I know, I believe I can lose weight when I want to lose weight. I believe that I can keep my body fit. I believe that I can keep wearing the same size clothes that I have for 20 years. And that is proven true. A little bit off, a little bit in, right? I believe those things, so I make them true for me. Things I don't believe, I haven't quite made real for me. So we all have our areas of strength. So I want you to really look at, what are you wishing and trying to achieve? You know, one of these intentions for the New Year's, or the goal, or maybe you're somebody who's been like, oh my God, I've been trying to lose weight and I just can't, and I've been trying for so many years. So what would happen then if you've been trying to lose weight for years and years, for a few years? Obviously, your belief right now is you can't. And that's natural and that's okay. Just know where you are. Obviously, if I don't have that thing in my life right now, I have a belief that I can't have it. Okay? It doesn't mean it's hopeless. It just means right in this moment, there must be a belief within me that I cannot have that. Otherwise, I would have it. Right? Our beliefs drive our energy, our actions, what we do, what we say, how we react with other people, right? You know that. If you believe that you can walk into a room of strangers and talk to anybody with no problem, you will. If you believe when you walk into a room of strangers that everybody's going to be staring at you and judging you, you're going to act completely different, right? So this is how strong beliefs are. You can have two beautiful women, model-like women. One believes she is beautiful and deserves the best. The second one believes she is never good enough, never skinny enough, never looks good enough, and doesn't really deserve someone good for her, right? You know that they can both look on the outside the same, but yet they have different beliefs. Therefore, those different beliefs are going to guide their actions. They're going to guide who they attract into their life. They're going to guide how they look, how their appearance is, what the energy they give off is, and what they're able to achieve in their life. And their everyday mood and feelings, for sure. I mean, really, right? We know a woman who believes she's sexy and confident and men love her, how she carries herself as she walks into a room. She may have a very voluptuous, different body that someone else may think, well, why would she believe she's sexy with that? But yet, because she believes it, she is it, right? So belief is the number one thing that you need to shift and check on when you're going to achieve something. And yes, that has to do with your energy, your health, and definitely your weight. So I want you guys to think, what is your belief on something that you're trying to achieve in your life that you haven't had yet, that you don't have yet, that you want, that you desire? And it could be like, oh my God, this job is so stressful. I don't like it. I'm like working all the time. I don't like my job. I have no energy for making healthy food. I'm just like, blah, right? Like some women are like that. They're like, oh my God, I get home at the end of the day and I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I don't feel like making something healthy. I don't feel like going to the gym. I have no time for that, right? So then think about it. What is their belief? Their belief at that moment is that they cannot get a job, another job, right? Otherwise, you'd be like, well, this job isn't serving me. In this job, I'm working all the time and I'm not even able to take good care of myself. So screw this job. I'm going to go get a job that helps, so that I have time to take care of myself, because that's really important to me. Health is really important to me. So I'm going to look for a job that I like, that has good hours, that still supports me, but yet I'm able to take care of myself, right? Or you may believe you're not worthy of something like that. And that's another belief that trips people up. Obviously I'm not worthy of having that, right? Obviously I'm not worthy of having that. That's a terrible thing to believe. We are always worthy. We are always worthy, right? So what are your beliefs on things that you are wishing to achieve, accomplish, whatever, call into your life? I want you guys to get really clear on that. What is your belief behind it? Is it really that you can have it? And if it's not, then you need to go, okay, I realize I have this limiting belief about myself in this area, and I'm going to choose now, because a belief is only a thought that we have thought over and over and over again, or it is something that somebody has said to us over and over again that we've taken on to believe is true about us. So, sometimes a girl is called, like when she's growing up, you're like, oh, she's just a chubby one. She has a slow metabolism. She can't quite lose the weight. She has this, she has that, right? I know that beliefs were put on me too. We're put on everybody. And that belief is in you, and you grow up, and that limits you from achieving certain things. But it was never true to begin with, okay? So you want to look at your belief. It's not true if it's a limiting belief, because you are all perfect. You can all achieve what you want to achieve, right? You can. So look at what you're trying to achieve. What is your real belief behind it, why you haven't achieved it? Get clear on that, and then you're going to form a new belief that's going to lead you towards what you want. And that's what we work on in my new 21-day program. The shift is really about shifting these areas, these internal areas inside of yourself, so that you shift the awareness. So you're aware of what they are that's holding you back. You shift into new beliefs, perceptions, focus, actions, energy that starts to create exactly what you want. Without those shifts, if you don't shift, if you don't change your belief, you won't get it. Because what you believe, you receive. That's as clear as we can say it. Oh, thank you so much, Stefan. Hello, thanks for watching. All right, that is day number 4. Like I said, the number 1 thing that I really believe needs to be shifted so that you can create a life you truly love and feel your best. All right, take a look at your beliefs, and I would love to hear your comments and any questions you have below. All right, much love to you guys. Have an amazing evening. Bye-bye.